Gimaneto kane oluar e mashin mar loso nguru. Akawadhi mbele ni duol mar the Kenya Roads Board oyango ni sirikal oketo tenge pesa mabiro konyo e loso apeyni makethore e kinde mag kodh El Nino. Kaluwore gi duol no, sirikal osegolo atamalo 25 mar pesa go mane oket tenge ne riwruoge ma opogore mag ndara e higani. Ma oriwo nyaka pesa mag konyruok e seche masira. E higani sirikal oketo tenge silings ma ok tin ne bilion 244 ne migawo mar apeyni kod wuodhe mar loso kendo rito apeyni mapachoka.
Resources have already been dispersed to them. We've not given fully, but at least they have some resources to repair whatever condition will come up from the expected rains. Allocation is made to every specific road agency. So when I talk of 25%, it is a percentage of the allocation, what they are supposed to receive in the financial year.
The vast or the huge chunk of road network actually remains with counties, and the resources are not sufficient to maintain all the road networks. There's an ongoing conversation on the share that should be reverted back to counties between the COG and actually the national government.
Makisumu Fredo